people whose weapons that we will confiscate as a result of this know their rights as well. They understand the Second Amendment, they understand the 14th, and they understand the Fourth Amendment. And violent or suicidal or not, these people are going to passionately defend their rights to keep and bear arms. And with that said, I want to talk about the folks who are considered least in this bill proposal, and that is the men and women of law enforcement. You know, colleagues, we pay homage to our first responders on a regular basis. We somehow think that law enforcement officers, those who wear the badge or the shield, were born for this kind of thing, and they're not afraid. They're intrepid in all situations. But what I'm saying is that it can be a very, very difficult life. And as an example, in Josephine County, if you want to drive up a dirt road for 4 miles, look for a cabin that has someone in it so supposedly violent or suicidal, and you're prepared to take their guns, you better be prepared for a fight. I don't think we can afford to be cavalier, and I don't want to intimate that the people that are responsible for this bill are cavalier, but what I would like to say, Madam Speaker, is that the last year for law enforcement has been an absolute disaster. It's tough enough to do this job on a daily basis without being sent out on suicide missions. And in many jurisdictions, that's exactly what we're looking at. I'm not going to spend much time talking about whether I think Senate Bill 719 is good or bad, but I get emotional about this because I have been a reserve deputy myself for a number of years, and I know how your heart thumps out of your chest when you're going on a potential suicide mission. And I just think we need to be extremely careful about looking for opportunities to put our law enforcement people in harm's way. It is a dangerous job without being sent out to do things like this. So, Madam Speaker, I say before we look at bills like this, we absolutely have to ask ourselves, is this the prudent and best use of our law enforcement people? Thank you.